Alright, welcome to the last part of the die. What we are now going to do is draw on the 6 side, but we are going to use a few little shortcuts to make this a little bit quicker. So what you need to do is start a sketch on the bottom side here, and we'll bring that into view. Much in the same way, we're gonna draw in our circles, but we are going to do it in such a way that there's a relationship between them. So when we put in a measurement, it will transfer over to the other shapes. It means that you don't really have to do as much dimensioning. So we'll cut a few corners. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to go a center point circle, and we're going to run it down the side here until we find this halfway point, this midpoint, which will come up as a square. If we just line that in there and we draw our circle there, I know that this circle will be sitting on the halfway point, which will be the 50. And I can do the same on the other side here. So I'll go to the halfway point, then just go inwards, and that will be locked in. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to put our next 4 in relation to our existing circles, so they'll all move together. Okay, so we're still drawing a circle. We want to pick up the middle of this circle and go directly up. It doesn't matter how far you go up, but we just want to drop a circle there, and then the same way we want to make sure we're getting that vertical line to line up that next circle. Okay, we're going to do this on the other side, but we're also going to add in another constraint, a horizontal constraint. So we're going to pick up this circle here, and we're also going to go and pick up this circle here. So we've got a vertical constraint here and a horizontal constraint. You can see where they meet up, and we'll draw a circle there. We're going to do the same for the bottom. We're going to go directly down. We'll come across, we'll pick this one up. You have to just run your cursor over both of them, and you should be able to bring them into the middle, pick them both up, and we will drop that one here. All right, now for the dimensioning part. Unfortunately, the part where we're dimensioning the size, we can't really shortcut that, so we're going to go through and dimension these all to 10 millimeters. But where we are going to save a lot of time is dimensioning their location on the face. So where we would have had to put about 12 different dimensions in, now we're only going to have to put 4. Okay, so if I dimension this circle to the side here and put that as 15, that will transfer to all of these circles here. Okay, the same way that if I put a measurement from here to here as 15, that will automatically transfer over to this circle. All right, the next one I'm going to do is from the side here to there as a 15 millimeter dimension. And you can see now these ones are all locked in. These ones are locked in on the midline. These ones are locked in together. So the last measurement we need to do is just between this one and here. And what that will do is it will lock these two down to where you need them. Okay. All right. So from here, we know what to do. We're going to finish that sketch. Go through, extrude. Be very careful just to make sure you pick the right profiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now what we want to do is we just want to remove 5 millimeters, and that is the project done. So congratulations, that's the end of the dice. Well done. If you have any questions, please put your hand up or browse back through the video.